Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to enable dark mode in Soundful. Are you ready to enhance your Soundful experience with a sleek dark mode? Let's navigate through the steps to effortlessly switch to the dark side. So, here's how. Begin by locating your account icon on the upper right corner of your Soundful dashboard. It's usually represented by your initials. Once you are in your account settings, head to the display section. Here, you have the power to transform your interface from light to dark mode or vice versa, based on your preference. With a simple click, you can toggle between the two modes. Want the elegant look of dark mode? Just click it on. And if you decide to switch back, you can do that effortlessly too. And lo and behold, with just a few clicks, you have transformed your Soundful dashboard into a stylish dark mode. That's it. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.